Hi students, good morning all. Dear students, today in your third standard, your chapter is what? Triangle is the notice. Today, let us study about only sum of the length of the two sides of a triangle. We study about the sum triangles. For example, consider one triangle A, B, C. This is 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter. You can study about this triangle. The sum of two sides. Sum of two sides means 3 plus 4 is 7 is more than the third side. The sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Therefore, the sum of two sides 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 is more than 1. Or otherwise, you can take these two sides. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 is more than 4. Otherwise, consider these two. 4 plus 5 is 9 is also greater than 3. This is like a condition also here. Okay, one second. You can take next one triangle. 10 centimeter is there. 4 centimeter is there. 9 centimeter is there. Okay, this one is also triangle by the rule. The sum of two sides is equal to, otherwise sum of two sides is more than the third side. 4 plus 9 is 13 is more than 10. Otherwise 9 plus 10 is 19 is more than 4. Otherwise 4 plus 10 is 14 is more than 9. The condition is the sum of the length of the two sides of a triangle is more than the third side. Again, second one, third one example also here. 5 centimeter is there. 8 centimeter is there. 2 centimeter. Got it? Again, check yourself once again. Therefore, sum of two sides is equal to 8 plus 2 is 10 is more than 5. First condition is over. Next again, 8 plus 5 is 13 is more than 2. That is also over. But next one is what? 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Therefore, this is not smaller than the 8. Smaller than the 8. Therefore, this is not a triangle. This is not a triangle because sum of two sides is smaller than the third side. Sum of the two sides is smaller than the third side. Therefore, this is not a triangle. How to construct this one triangle? Justify your answer with geometrically. Do this one. First of all, you can take 2 centimeter. You can take 2 centimeter. Therefore, this is 2 centimeter. Next one is what? 8 centimeter is the 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter, this like the 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter, we take 1 arc length. 1 arc length. Eight. Next one is what? 5 centimeter. 5. 5 is the 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. These two curved lines are here. These two curved lines are not meet at the point. Therefore, this is not a triangle. This is not possible to triangle. Therefore, the sides are sides are 8 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter. These all sides are not a sides of triangle. Not a sides of triangle. Next one also here. Here first once again. Sides. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 2 centimeter. These all are sides of the triangle. Check your condition. Condition is sum of two sides is more than third side. First of these two sides, 3 plus 4 is more than 2. Next, these two sides, 3 plus 2 is more than 4. Next, these two, 4 plus 2 is more than 3. Okay, these all are sides of the triangle. Next one example, therefore, 7 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 2 centimeter. Check question once again. These all sides are triangle? No, impossible. Check question once again. Sum of these two, 7 plus 10 is more than 2. One condition is over. Second one, 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 is smaller than 10. Smaller than. We want greater, but this is smaller is the. Therefore, these two are not a sides of triangle. Not a sides of triangle. These lines are here. Okay. Practice some example in your exercise. Take examples. In your exercise, the first one is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? First sides, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. These sides are triangle because these sides are not a triangle because sum of two sides is our condition is sum of two sides is greater than the third side, but this one is equal is the 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. This condition is wrong. This condition is wrong. Therefore, these all sides are not a triangle. Next third one is 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Again, sum of three sides. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 is more than 7. Otherwise, 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 is more than 6. Therefore, these all sides are sides of a triangle. Next third one, 6, 3 plus 2. Therefore, sum of these two sides is smaller than the third side, but therefore these sides are not in triangle sides. For example, 3 plus 2 is smaller than 6, third side. Got it? These sides are here. Therefore, this is not a size of triangle. In the second one also, take any point O in the interior of the triangle PQR is. PQR is the triangle. Middle point is O. You can check those once in your conditions. First one, OP. OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. This condition is yes because OP and OQ, the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Next, second one, OQ plus OR. OQ plus OR also greater than the QR. This also condition is yes because sum of these two sides is more than the third side. Next, last one, OR plus OP is greater than the RP. This condition also holds true by the condition the sum of two sides is more than the otherwise greater than the third side. Condition is holds good. Next, you can take some examples in your exercise also. Next part is your Pythagoras theorem. The next one is right angle triangles and Pythagoras properties. Dear students, in your triangles, what angle is special triangle, that is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Therefore, ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle means B. This is right angle triangle. What is the properties of right angle triangle? Right angle definition is a triangle have one angle is exactly 90 degrees meaning of the Pythagoras theorem is, otherwise the statement of the Pythagoras theorem is, therefore the statement before the statement in the right angle triangle, therefore the Pythagoras is dividing into three sides, the special three sides. Only triangles have three sides, but in the right angle triangle special three sides are here. The first one is not, this is adjacent sides, otherwise base. You can consider this is base, otherwise adjacent sides, adjacent sides. You can take this one is height, otherwise opposite, this one is what, diagonal, otherwise hypotenuse. Got it? Hypotenuse. Okay, these three sides are here. You can consider by the Pythagoras studying the right angle triangle. The statement is, Pythagoras statement is the sum of squares of the sides. Squares of a sides is equal to square of the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is called, that is Pythagoras statement. The condition is, therefore sum of two sides, the base square plus height square is equal to hypotenuse square. Otherwise adjacent square plus opposite square is equal to hypotenuse square. Therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is our Pythagoras condition. This is most important theorem statement. Theorem statement is, the sum of the squares of the two sides is equal to the hypotenuse square or square of the hypotenuse. Consider how this proof of the theorem by the geometrical concept is like, therefore ABC is the right angle triangle. Consider this is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this one is 5 centimeter. Consider therefore AB is what? 4 centimeter square plus BC is 3 centimeter is equal to AC is 5 is the 5 whole square. Therefore 4 square means 16, 3 square means 9 is equal to 5 square is 25. Therefore 60 plus 9 is 25 is equal to 25. RHS is equal to LHS. Hence the proof. You can prove in the geometrically. You can take square. Squares are there na? You can take AC square. AC is 5 cm. Again AC same as this 5 cm same 1 square. Next 3 cm 1 square. Next 4 cm 1 square. Okay, 5 cm. You can take equal units. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. Next in 4 cm, that is square is the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 3 cm. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it? These like squares are here. They count the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. This is 25. Next in the sides. First one AB. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is the geometry. And also 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the this like Pythagoras theorem. It's like Pythagoras theorem. Next, you can take some 2 examples on Pythagoras theorem. Some examples. Okay, some questions. PQR is a triangle, right angle at P. If PQ is 10 centimeter, PR is 24 centimeter, we can find out the QR. Right, therefore, rough diagram. P at right angle. PQR. P at right angle. Therefore, the given PQ is what? 10 centimeter. PQ is 10 centimeter. Next, PR is 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter. You can find out the QR. Find out the QR by the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is what? Statement is hypotenuse square QR R2 square. R2 square is equal to next PQ square plus PR square. Therefore, 24 whole square PQ is what? 10 is 10 square plus PR means 24 square is 24 square. 10 square means 100 plus 24 square. 24 into 24 4 60. 4 2 8 9 plus 8 4 6 7 5 576. 576 is the therefore 576 plus 100 is 676. 676. Therefore, R2 square is equal to 600. Next, square root of both sides. Square root of R2 whole square is root of 676. Therefore, square root cancel only. R2 is equal to 676 is the square number of 26. Therefore, this is 26 centimeter. This is 26 centimeter. What about next one? In the second one, ABC is a triangle, right angle at C. Therefore, C A B C. ABC is a triangle, right angle at C. If AB is 25 centimeter, AB is 25 centimeter. And AC is 7 centimeter. Find out BC. Find the BC. Again, same as this. The solution by the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem is what? Hypotenuse AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Next, AB is 25 is the 25 whole square is equal to AC. AC is 7 is the 7 whole square plus BC we don't know BC square. 25 square means 625 is equal to 7 square means 49 plus BC square. Next you can take 625 minus 49 is equal to BC square. Subtract 625 minus 49 equal 15 minus 9 is what? 6 is the 6. 15 minus 9 is 6. Next 2 minus 12 minus 5 is 12 minus 5 is 7. This one is what? 5. Therefore, 576 is equal to BC square. Therefore, BC square is equal to 576. Again, square root on both sides. Square root on both sides is equal to 576. Square cancel. Only BC is equal to this is 24 square is 24 square is 576. Therefore, 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter.